Hey reviewers, and welcome back to the channel. Just a quick one today. I've got a brand new package from Pro Race Exhaust Systems in the UK. It's a paid for one, I might say. But I'm really keen to show you this because it's one of the first mods that I'm doing on my XR. I'm not a professional unboxer, but I thought you might want to see this one. Hey, thanks very much. Oh, there's something in here. Oh, hello. Get ready. More packaging. You want to see? Ta-da! Go on, baby. Get this out of the way. Check that out. So this is the Pro Race exhaust system for my XR 2020 model. It's in black, the slash cut. Yeah, I think this is going to be pretty naughty. So there we are, guys, just a quick video. I hope you liked it. Just an unboxing on this one, but I'm going to be doing a fitting and then proper ride and sound test for you as well. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Loads more content coming. And as always, stay safe, have fun, and I'll see you on the next one.